So hello everyone, here we are today to discuss the common IVF myths which revolve around the treatment of IVF, and you should stop believing them. Over the years, IVF has helped millions of couples worldwide achieve their dream of parenthood. Yet, there are still many misconceptions and myths surrounding the treatment, often causing unnecessary fear or hesitation among the couples. In this video, let's separate the facts from the myths about the treatment of IVF so you can make confident, informed decisions when you meet your fertility expert. The biggest myth in IVF is that IVF leads to twins or triplets. This is no longer true. In earlier years, multiple embryos were transferred to increase the success rate. But with modern IVF technology, doctors now prefer single embryo transfer. Yes, we do transfer 2 embryos in a couple most of the times if they have got multiple failed IVF cycles in the previous treatment or if there's an advanced age fertility. But we don't do this to give you twins or triplets. We do this so that at least 1 embryo should get transferred and you should have your successful pregnancy in the first go. Today, IVF success is based on quality, not quantity of embryos. We are doing elective single embryo transfers after doing the blastocyst culture, and we transferred the best embryo, single embryo, after doing the culture. The second myth which revolves around IVF treatment is that IVF gives you pain. IVF is very painful. No, IVF is not painful. IVF involves taking a lot of injections. There are 2 procedures involved in IVF. One is embryo transfer and one is egg retrieval. In the process of egg retrieval, we give you complete anesthesia. It is done under complete general anesthesia, and we do the process vaginally. There is no scar, there is no cut. So there is no point of pain once the anesthesia has been given to the patient during the process of egg retrieval. An embryo transfer is not done under anesthesia. It is an OPD procedure, but why we do it in the operation theatre? Because the OT is always linked to the embryology lab. We need sterility, we need asepsis, and there are multiple other things which are needed during the process of embryo transfer. So please remove this myth from your mind that IVF treatment is painful. It is definitely not. Another myth which revolves around IVF is that IVF is only for older women. That means women of the higher age group, maybe in the 40s or late 30s. No. The fact is that IVF is not limited to women in their late 30s or 40s. Younger couples with issues like blocked tubes, male factor infertility, or unexplained infertility also benefit from IVF. In fact, success rates are higher if you get your IVF treatment done at a younger age group. Another very important myth which revolves around IVF is that IVF babies are different from other babies which women conceive naturally. So IVF babies are just as healthy and just as equal to naturally conceived babies. And yes, this is a fact. Extensive research confirms there is no difference in physical, emotional, or intellectual development of the babies who have conceived through IVF. The only difference is how they began with a little help from science. That's the only difference in these babies. Yes, difference does make if you plan your IVF at a later age as compared to if you plan your IVF at an earlier age, because then the egg quality definitely matters, and that is where the difference comes from. Another myth which revolves around IVF is that, ma'am, when will we have the baby? Can the pregnancy achieve in the first IVF cycle itself? So this is a myth which revolves around IVF, that IVF guarantees pregnancy. Yes, IVF guarantees pregnancy maybe in the first cycle, maybe in the 3rd cycle, or maybe not even after 3 to 4 IVF cycles. So the fact is that IVF offers the highest success rate among fertility treatments, but it doesn't guarantee a pregnancy. Success depends on a lot of factors like the woman's age, the egg and sperm quality, the overall health, and other comorbidities of a woman. Your fertility specialist will recommend you the best suited approach after going through your case, offers you the best fertility treatment after understanding that why actually are you going for IVF. So IVF is one of the greatest advancements in reproductive medicine, but myths often overshadow the success of IVF and the expectations which revolve around the process. Always rely on evidence-based information and consult your fertility expert before taking informed decisions about the treatment. Knowledge replaces fear and understanding brings hope. That's the first step towards your successful parenthood journey with IVF.